Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 1, parts of speech. Okay, we have seen different parts of speech are there. Do you remember with how many parts of speech we have seen? We have seen two parts of speech. Okay, first one noun and types of noun, and then second one it's pronoun. Okay, so we have seen two parts of speech. So what is noun? Do you remember students? What is noun? Very good. Noun is a naming word, names of person, things, place. Okay, that is noun. Now what is pronoun? Remember? Very good. Pronoun is a word which use instead of noun. Okay, so that is pronoun. You, I, me. Okay, so all these are pronoun which are used instead of noun. Okay, so pronoun and noun we have seen. So total how many types of parts of speech are there? So total there are 8 parts of speech. Okay, we have seen or discussed that first is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are 8 parts of speech are there. Okay, now let's see an adjective. Okay, an adjective. What is an adjective? So an adjective is a word which says something about noun. Okay, the word which says something about noun or which added into the meaning of noun. Okay, so these types of words is called an adjective. Now let's see the definition here. An adjective is a word that qualifies or adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Okay, so that is adjective. The word which says something about noun. The word which says something about noun or which added into the meaning of noun. Okay, so that is noun or pronoun, that is adjective. Okay, there can be 10 kinds of adjective. Now let's see the different kinds of adjectives are there. First one, proper adjective, then second, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, emphasizing adjective, exclamatory adjective and article. Okay, so there are 3 kinds of adjectives are there. Okay, so in this way the many words which define noun, there are many words which define noun. Okay, so they are adjectives. Now let's see the first type of adjective, that is proper adjectives. So proper adjectives, words like, there are the examples. Okay, words like Indian, Chinese, American, English, Punjabi, etc. Okay, if it says something proper, okay, so name of some proper things. Okay, for example, let's use this as an example. For example, Indian Army. Okay, so army here a noun and Indian is an adjective. So how it become an adjective? Because it says something about noun army. Okay, Indian Army. So army is a noun and adjective, which is adjective, Indian is an adjective, it is a proper adjective. Okay, like this, Chinese toys. Okay, toys is a noun and Chinese is an adjective. So mostly adjectives they are comes before noun. Okay, remember mostly adjectives they are come before noun. Okay, for example, then American president. Okay, president is here a noun and then American is an adjective. Why? Because American is a word which says something or which added a meaning into president. Okay, president is a noun, so say something about noun, that word is an adjective. Okay, English book or English language. Okay, so English here is an adjective and book or language this become a noun. Okay, Punjabi thali. Okay, Punjabi dish. Okay, here Punjabi is an adjective and dish is a noun. Okay, so like this we can use adjectives before noun. Okay, second type of adjective, descriptive adjective. For example, brave, good, bad, sick, tall, large, black, careful, etc. Beautiful. Okay, so etc. For example, beautiful girl. So it describe a noun, so it is a descriptive adjective. Okay, describe noun or it says something about noun, so they are called descriptive adjective. For example, brave boy. Okay, brave boy. Boy is a noun and brave become an adjective because it says something about noun boy. Okay, boy વિશે કંઈ કેવી છે કે boy છે, that is brave. He is brave. Okay, now good good example. Okay, here let's see good example. Example is a noun. Okay, good become an adjective. Okay, bad people. So people is a noun, bad is an adjective. Okay, like this you can use all the adjective before noun. Okay, so I hope you understand that all the adjectives they describe noun. They added into the meaning of noun. Okay, so any whatever word you found that added into the meaning of noun, they become an adjective. ઓકે, કોઈ પણ વર્ડ તમને એવો મળે કે જે નાઉનને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે, નાઉનના મિનિંગની અંદર કંઈક એડ કરે, ઓકે, ઓર દેટ સે સમથિંગ અબાઉટ નાઉન, all that types of words are known as adjective. Okay, now quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective examples are there like much, little, no, some, any, all, whole, enough, etc. These types of words are a quantitative adjective. Mostly these types of words, quantitative adjectives, are used to describe uncountable nouns. Okay, they describe uncountable nouns like wealth, then water, oil, sense, intelligence, patience. Okay, so these types of uncountable nouns. Okay, આ uncountable noun જે છે એની સાથે આપણે quantitative adjectivesને use કરી શકીએ. For example, we can say that little intelligence. Okay, little intelligence. Here intelligence is a noun. Which type of noun? It is uncountable noun. Intelligence we cannot count intelligence, so it is an uncountable noun, and with uncountable noun we can use quantitative adjective. Okay, like much, little, no, some, any, all. Okay, so these types of adjective we can use with quantitative or uncountable nouns. Okay, so for example, some rice. Okay, little intelligence. Okay, then no sense, enough exercise. Okay, so these types of noun, which these types of adjective we can use with uncountable nouns. Okay, then numeral adjective. Mostly numeral adjectives which are used with countable nouns. Okay, it can be used with countable noun. There are three type of numeral adjective: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective. Okay, so this quantitative adjective and numeral adjective we have discussed in detail later. Okay, પછીથી આપણે એને ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. Now definite adjective, that is ordinal and cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers, they are included in definite numeral adjective. Okay, definite numeral adjective. Cardinal orders or of number and ordinal number are included in definite numeral adjective. For example, one boy, two glass. Okay, so this type of first class. Okay, second standard. Okay, so these types of cardinal and ordinal numbers are which say exact number or which say exact quantity. Okay, so they are definite numeral adjective. Then indefinite numeral adjectives are all, some, enough, no, many, few, several. Okay, so this type of indefinite adjectives also. Okay, so when these types of adjective use with countable noun, so if these types of words are used with countable noun, at that time it is an numeral adjective. Countable noun સાથે જો આ words use થયા હોય, so at that time it is an numeral adjective, and uncountable noun સાથે જે adjectives use થયા હોય, they are quantitative adjective. Okay, quantitative adjective uncountable noun સાથે use થાય, and numeral adjectives કોની સાથે? Uncountable noun સાથે use થાય. For example, count numeral adjective. For example, 5 fingers. Okay, some mangoes, few cats, all men. So all the mangoes, cat, man. Okay, so all the this fingers. Okay, so these types of noun which can be count. ઓકે, જ્યારે કાઉન્ટ થઈ શકે એવા નામ સાથે આપણે જો એડજેક્ટિવ યુઝ કરીએ, એ કયા હોય? એ ન્યુમરલ એડજેક્ટિવ્સ. ઓકે, ન્યુમરલ એડજેક્ટિવ યુઝ વિથ કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન્સ. ઓકે, નાવ indefinite adjective and distributive adjective, there are each, every, either, neither. Okay, so these types of words are distributive numeral adjective. We have discussed this type of adjective later. Okay, now let's see demonstrative adjective. These, that, these, those, such, same. Okay, so these types of words, they are demonstrative adjective. For example, this book, that girl, those boys. Okay, so these types of words are used with a noun, and they are called demonstrative adjective. Okay, so all the adjective, they are used before noun. Now interrogative adjective, what, which, whose. Okay, so if we use them in sentence, at that time, what game are you playing? Okay, so at that time, what game? If question, these interrogative adjectives, they are used to ask question. Okay, but when they are used with noun, okay, when they are used with noun, what game? Okay, here game is a noun, and what is used before noun, so what become an interrogative adjective. Then which book are you reading? Okay, which book are you reading? So which book, so here which is used to ask question, but it used with a noun. Which book here is a noun, so noun ni આગળ use થયું છે which, so it become an interrogative adjective. Whose books are is this? Okay, whose books is this? આ books કોની છે? So whose book? Okay, here book is a noun, and whose is an interrogative adjective. So in this way, interrogative adjective used to ask a question, and they are used with noun. Okay, so they are interrogative adjective. Now possessive adjective, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. So these types of words are known as possessive adjective. Okay, if these types of word are used before noun, they are possessive adjective. For example, my headphone. Okay, here headphone is a noun, and my is an adjective. Our class. Okay, so class is a noun, and our become possessive adjective. Now your hairband. Okay, your hairband, at that time, your is an adjective, hairband is a noun. So these types of word, possessive word, if they use with noun, they are possessive adjective. ઓકે, નાઉનની આગળ આ બધા વર્ડ્સ જ્યારે યુઝ થાય એ શું બનશે? પોઝેસિવ એડજેક્ટિવ. ઓકે, દેન એમ્ફસાઇઝિંગ એડજેક્ટિવ. There are only two emphasizing adjective, own and very. There are only two emphasizing adjective, own and very. For example, I am my own master. Here own is emphasizing on noun master. Okay, so it is an emphasizing adjective. Then this a very, then this is the very thing we want. This is the very thing we want. Okay, so very is also say or emphasize on the noun thing. Okay, which is the noun here? Very thing. So thing is a noun and very is become emphasizing adjective because it emphasize on noun. એ કોના ઉપર ભાર મૂકે છે? noun ઉપર. Okay, so on and very they are emphasizing adjective. Now exclamatory adjective. What a nice girl. Okay, so it at that time what is become an exclamatory adjective. Okay, now article, we all know there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Okay, definite article the and indefinite article a and n. Okay, so these are also adjective. So all these types of words, they define nouns, they describe noun, they say something about noun. So they all types of words are called an adjective. Okay, now you have already learned about most all kinds of adjective and determiners in your previous classes. So here are some determiners: few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, much, many, some, any, every, all, most and none. So all are the determiners given here and you have to make sentence of your own using the given determiners. So here are some determiners you can see here. Some, any. Okay, both these words refer to number as well as quantity. So some is used in affirmative sense. At that sentence, at that time there are some children outside. Some people are always after money. So you can use these words like this and see in these examples. Okay, these all are only an example. Any is used in negative sentence. Okay, I didn't buy any bread. Okay, so in all the questions or in all types of sentences they are used. In question, when any is used, have you any problem? Okay, so in affirmative sentence, I have hardly any leisure nowadays. Okay, so that way you can use any. Okay, here few, little, few, a few, the few. Okay, is given here and you can use them in your sentence. See in this, note the difference in the meaning and the use of few, a few and the few is given here. So it is a negative determiner. It is used in a sense of not many. Okay, a few is used, it is a affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some at least. Okay, so then the few, it make one negative statement and the other affirmative statement. It make the whole of the particular number. So it makes few mistake. He makes few mistake. Okay, so these are the examples. He makes few mistake. It means he does not make many mistake. He does not make many mistakes. So here few you can use. Okay, he does not make many mistakes. So here in negative sense we can take a few. He makes a few mistake means he does make some mistake at least. Okay, so થોડી mistake. The a few means આગળ જો અ લાગ્યું હોય ઇટ મીન્સ કે થોડું ઓકે થોડી ક્વોન્ટિટીની અંદર કે થોડી મિસ્ટેક કરે છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ ઇન થર્ડ વન, I corrected the few mistake he had made. So he had not make many mistake. And this sentence have two meaning. Okay, the few here is used, so this sentence have two meaning. First one, he did not make many mistake and I corrected all of them. Okay, so first one, the few have two meaning. First one is negative and second one is affirmative. Okay, or positive meaning. Okay, so this way you can use few, a few and the few in your sentence. Okay, little is also given, you can see here, and use your sentence and make your own sentence. Here little, a little and the little meaning is also given. Okay, in the same way as few, a few and the few, little, a little and the little is also used. It is negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not much. It is a little is a little. Let's say it is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some at least. And the little, it makes one negative statement and the one affirmative means positive. Now it makes the whole of particular quantity. Now let's see in the example, he had little money. It means he had not have much money. એની પાસે બહુ વધારે મની નથી. Okay, then let's see. He had a little money. A little money means he had some money at least. Okay, ફર્સ્ટની અંદર આપણે જોયું એની પાસે બહુ થોડી, એની પાસે વધારે મની નથી. ઓકે, લિટલ મની મીન્સ એની પાસે વધારે મની નથી. સેકન્ડની અંદર એની પાસે એટલીસ્ટ સમ મની છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ થર્ડ વન, he spent the little money he had. Now he did not have much money and he spent all of them. Okay, so that is the two meaning of the little. Okay, so here money is countable noun, so little is used with, we can use little with countable noun also. Okay, so in this way you can use in your sentences. Little, a little, the little is given. Okay, here much, many. Okay, many, a, favor. Okay, so these types of words is given, you can use them in your sentence. Here much, many is given. Okay, so you can use this you can use these words into your sentence by helping all these examples. Okay, now let's see our exercises. Here is our exercises. Fill in the blank with suitable adjective. Now here in the box the adjectives are given, you have to put the suitable adjective in the blanks. Now first one, I ate some rice. Okay, some is suitable here. Now he lost all his money. Okay, all is here. Now he showed great patience. Okay, I think you have little sense. Now this type of way you have to fill all the blanks and check your answer in answer key, which is given in the last pages of the book. Okay, I hope you understand in adjective properly. Okay, it is very easy. Adjective, which is the word which define noun. Okay, mostly adjectives comes before noun. Okay, I hope you understand, student. Take care all, stay home, stay safe.